JBL is on a quest to build the perfect speaker, and while it's an impossible quest, each new iteration seems to inch closer to perfection. Case in point, the JBL Flip 7. At first glance, it might look like a standard portable speaker, but trust me, this one punches way above its weight. Not only is the Flip 7 lighter than its predecessor, it's also more durable, with more powerful bass and redesigned tweeters. The result? A compact speaker that delivers clear, loud audio, rivaling devices that cost twice as much. Priced at $130, it's sure to top many best Bluetooth speakers lists this year. You can pre-order the Flip 7 for $150 on JBL's website, with shipping starting April 6th. It competes with the Bose SoundLink Flex, Anker Soundcore Boom 2, and Beats Pill, all priced around the same mark. Speakers like the Flip 7 are designed to stand out at your next picnic or beach party. The Flip 7 is IP68 rated, meaning it's waterproof, dustproof, and drop-proof. Whether it's a spill at the beach or a tumble off the table, this speaker can handle it all. And with 6 color options, from sleek white to vibrant red, there's one for every style. Most features of the Flip 7 are accessed via the JBL Portable app. It includes an equalizer with presets and the option to create your own custom sound. Plus, Playtime Boost extends battery life by boosting volume and disabling the EQ, perfect for extended parties. Another standout feature is Auracast. This allows you to share audio across devices, enabling you to pair your Flip 7 with another for wider stereo sound, or even connect with other Auracast-enabled devices. Let's talk performance. The Flip 7 might be small, but when I cranked up the volume, I was blown away by the power it packed. Thanks to upgraded bass and redesigned tweeters, this speaker delivers deep, balanced sound with a wide soundstage. With JBL's AI Boost technology, the Flip 7 analyzes music in real time to deliver optimal performance with minimal distortion. From hip-hop to jazz, the Flip 7 shines. Sure, on some tracks, like Kendrick Lamar's Squabble Up, the bass can feel hollow, but 9 times out of 10, the sound is rich and immersive. JBL promises 14 hours of playback on a single charge, with Playtime Boost adding an extra 2 hours. I streamed my playlist at half volume, and the Flip 7 lasted just shy of 14 hours with no issues. It also ships with 70% charge, so you can get the party started right away. After reviewing countless products, it's easy to get jaded, but the JBL Flip 7, it stands out. It's one of the most durable and eco-friendly Bluetooth speakers, and while it is packed with features, the sound is what truly sets it apart. Compact yet loud, with a balanced soundstage, upgraded bass, and innovative technology like AI Boost, the Flip 7 delivers premium audio at a mid-tier price. Plus, with over 13 hours of battery life and the Playtime Boost feature for even more time, it's perfect for your next adventure or party. So if you're looking for a portable Bluetooth speaker that delivers powerful sound, durability, and eco-conscious design, the JBL Flip 7 is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more reviews and tech updates.